Copacabana. As the song says, music and passion were always the fashion. At the Copa, they fell in love. Let's rent a bike to explore. Nah, just kidding. I'm too lazy. I'm gonna grab one of those electric scooters. We're here now in Copacabana beach. The weather is not that nice, but at least it's not raining. Yesterday it rained the whole day, so if you think Rio is only summer and sunny days, no. You can start your day visiting the fortress of Copacabana. There's a museum explaining the history of Brazil since the arrival of the Portuguese. From the fortress, you have a great view of Copacabana beach, and you can have a coffee there enjoying this view. On Sundays, the avenue just in front of the beach is closed, so do like the cariocas or the people from Rio, go walking, running or skating. Walking the famous wave-pattern cobblestone sidewalks. Did you know that those stones were all brought from Portugal? Are you enjoying this video? If so, please subscribe. Take a picture with the poet and writer Carlos Drummond's statue. What? You don't know who he was? Who cares? You're a tourist, so behave like one. So no visit to Rio is complete if you don't go to a boteco. But what is a boteco? I'm gonna show you right now. Alright, if you're gonna come to Brazil and you want to dive in the Brazilian culture, you need to come to a boteco, which is an informal type of bar. Boteco is a place to come with friends, have some beer, have some fun, usually after work to drink and to chat with friends. It's something very informal. Let me teach you something more about boteco. So I will try to help you how to survive in a Brazilian boteco. To order a drink, if you want something unusual or typical from Brazil, you can order a caipirinha. We say caipirinha, which is a mix of cachaça, sugar, lemon, and it's very good. If you want just a beer, you can ask for a cerveja. You can ask for a cerveja gelada, which means cold beer. And if you want a draft beer, ask for a chopp. The usual food from a boteco is very informal. It's like a Spanish tapas. We call them aperitivos or tiragostos. If you want to call the waiter, you can just do like this, or you can say garçom, which means waiter. And if you, for example, if you want another round of beer or another chopp, you can say mais uma, por favor, which means one more, please. And that's it. And I see you in our next informal guide. And now, since I'm in Rio, it's sunny, I have my água de coco, I'm gonna enjoy the beach now. Yes, I look like a child when I'm on the beach. Just in front of the beach is probably the most famous hotel in Brazil, the Copacabana Palace. Walt Disney, Nelson Mandela, Madonna, Michael Jackson, Lady Di, Marilyn Monroe, Will Smith, the Rolling Stones, among the many other celebrities, have stayed in this hotel. I hope you liked this video. If so, please consider subscribing.